Hello my friends and welcome to a special presentation of Hunting Rocks. As always, I'm your hunting guide Jeff, and today I received a package in the mail from a guy some of you probably know of, Derek the Rockmaster. He really cool guy. He's been on WildKyle's channel. He's been on PaleoCris's channel. Super cool guy. I sent him some rocks. He sent me some back. So we're going to pop this open. We're going to see what we got. All right, usually whenever I do one of these, I would do it outside, but we've had rain all day, so I set up a light, and let's get this show started. The first piece I have is some blue barite from Colorado. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is some very, very blue barite. So you guys have seen Dustin and I dig barite around the area. We don't get anything quite this color. That is a beautiful blue. That is amazing. I've never come across blue barite. There you go. Hopefully that shows up in cam. There's a cool looking blue color. Look at that. Man. I love blue minerals. You guys know me. Everything blue is good. All right, let's go on to the next piece. I'm just picking random out of here. So, what do we got here? Calcite clams and whelks from Florida. Very cool. Let me get these open. I'll get them on camera. This one says open carefully, so I will do that. I'm going to put my hammer up. All right, you guys. I got them open. I'm going to show them to you one at a time. Check that out. That is the shell, and this one has been cut, and look at that in there. That's beautiful. Oh man. Then there's this big monster. Look at the calcite on there. Their calcite is so different down in Florida compared to what we have up here. Theirs is more it's more of a yellowish. It's also probably a newer calcite. Stuff we have up here is formed millions and millions and millions and millions of years ago. This stuff is only millions of years ago. Very cool. It gets better though. Let me pop this one out. Look at those dog teeth on there. And then, of course, the one that said open carefully, well, I saved it for last because this piece, look at that. And I bet you this stuff is UV reactive. I'm going to kill the light and grab my ultraviolet light real quick. Okay, guys, you're going to have to trust me. It's completely dark, but going to kick on the light and shine it onto there. I hope they're showing up good. They are glowing a beautiful yellow. But here comes the coolest thing. I'm going to kill the light. There is no light on them. They phosphoresce. Light on. Light off. Is that not cool or what? I'm really excited for Miss Hunting Rocks to get home. She's going to love that. All right, next up we got some agatized oysters. These are also from Florida. You can see the agatization in there. Let me put some water on my finger real quick. All right, let's see if that brings it out a little. Oh yeah. Yep, that definitely made it pop. Look at that agatization in there. Check one of these other ones. Those are very cool. Very, very cool. All right, let's keep going. All right, we got some Swanee River agate here from North Florida. Let's pop that open. All right, you guys, you know when I flip something over like this, it's too good to show right away. So first off, there's this piece here, and there is a little shell fossil right there. That is super cool. Now, let's flip these over. Let's do this one first. Not bad looking. It's pretty. Let's get it wet. Now we're bringing those colors out. Look at that. Man. All right. Here's this one. Swanee River, far, far from home. That's a beautiful agate. Yep, I gotta go to the Swanee River. That's all there is to it. Get my dive stuff, meet up, and go to the Swanee River. Holy cow. I wish I was working in sunlight. It would look so much better. You guys have no idea how good that looks. Alright guys, this is a bag of starlights. Now, I'm going to post a picture of what they look like when they're clean. It does say use a Dremel to prep off the schist. So I will get the schist off of them. These are going to look super cool. I'm going to put a picture up of what these look like when they're clean. You probably won't see the ones I've worked on. Yeah, you might. I might go crazy and show them. But might be a while before I can get to my Dremel with what I got going on. So these, I'm definitely I'm loving these. I've wanted these for a while. These are they're also called fairy stones. But I'll post a picture of them right about here. And you get an idea of what they're going to look like once they're all cleaned up. Just popped open another beautiful calcite clamshell. And you can see that was a clam. And that is crystals inside. And I guarantee you this one will also UV react. Now we got some petrified wood with smoky quartz. Let's pop this open. All right, guys. Look at this piece. That is all smoky quartz around there. But hold on, they get better. This you can tell is petrified wood. I'll get to that one last. And then, bro, look at that sparkle. That's no camera trick. That's just sparkling off the light I got set up. This is the first one I opened and was amazed by. Look how beautiful that is in there. That's crazy. And now, let's get to this one. Ready? Look at all those crystals in there. That is smoky quartz. Just sitting inside of this piece of petrified wood. Oh, I love that shine. All right, you guys, get ready for this. This is some agatized coral. This was from Florida also. A lot of this stuff's from Florida because that's where, you know, Derek's from. But as you can see, I've got it turned over to the ugly side. This, oh, look at that. That's it. Let me get it wet. Let me get it wet. Put that into some water. Really get that glow going on. That's madness. I mean, look at that. We get coral in our area, you know, but ours is mostly solidified all the way through. Look at that. You can see the light through it. This cute little piece here. Now let's get into the good ones. Look at this thing. That's like some kind of cathedral inside. Look at the botryoidal right through there. I mean, that is just nothing but bubbles. Oh man. All right. This one blows me away. Let's flip that over. And we'll use some light to light it up inside. Look at that thing. Is that not the coolest? Let me dampen it a little bit. Get some water on you. Come on. Don't be shy. Show the viewers at home how pretty you are. Look at that. Holy cow. I love rocks. I love rocks and minerals so much because, I mean, these things are just, it's just beautiful. This is a fossil. This is a rock. This is a mineral. This is everything that hunting rocks looks for right here in one piece. All right, let's get to the other stuff. Derek, dude, you outdid yourself, man. I feel bad. I sent him like a medium-sized box, and he sends me this large thing full of amazing stuff. I'm a bad friend, you guys. All right, we got some more agate here, but this was not found in Florida. This was up in Montana, and it says that this is UV reactive. So the first thing I'm going to do is get it wet a little bit so we can really see the, oh, look at that. Holy cow. That is some beautiful agate. Look at that. It's hard to see, but the smoky of it is practically clear. Let me see if I can. You see that little white speck there? That actually goes down deeper into it. All right, it says it's UV reactive. Let me get the lights. All right, I don't have the best UV light for this, but you can see that is totally UV reactive. Had to check, see if it phosphoresced. That's amazing. Oh yeah, there's some corals. And of course that little guy, he glows. All right, gonna turn on the lights. Look at that a little more because that's just beautiful. And let's get some more stuff opened. All right, guys, and last but not least is some more agatized coral. This is from the Oligocene period, which is about 34 million years ago, give or take an hour or two. But you can definitely see that is a piece of coral. And it's been cut, so let's pop it open, take a look. Ooh, look at that. All right, let's get it a little wet. Oh, yeah, that's bringing out the color. Look at that, the wet versus dry. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm gonna do this side too. Come on now. Yes. That is amazing. That is amazing. Let's take a look at this big guy here. Boom. Look at that bitroidal in there. All through there. Man, this stuff. Derek, dude, thank you, man. This is amazing. Look at that in there. That almost looks like, I guarantee you that's a black calcite in there. Yeah, that's it might be quartz, but I doubt it. I think that's calcite. This guy needs to get a little damp. There we go. There we go. And again, as you can see, just a piece of coral. Before and after. These are so flippin' cool. Oh, look at this. That's. Let me get some better light on that. That's beautiful. Look at that in there. That's just the outside of it. Oh, this will be a good one to get wet. That's the outside. You can see that looks like a piece of coral. Look at that coloration. Man, I cannot wait to get a chance to get back down to Florida and go diving with these guys again. Said this came from Derek the Rockmaster, super cool guy. Knows his geology. I've been trying to talk him into getting a YouTube for a while, but he does astronomy. Is that the right word? Yeah, astronomy, because astrology is the one where they read cards. Yeah, no, he does astronomy. He looks at stars. And He says he's got something that works, but he won't tell me what, so I'm pretty excited. But this is the layout. I gotta clean some of this stuff up, and it's going into my showcase. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. As you know, I don't do unboxing videos often, but as cool as this stuff was, I knew I would have to do it. It's also why it's a special and not a normal Tuesday episode. But anywho, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a comment. If you didn't like it, give me a comment also saying, hey, unboxings are boring. But anywho, I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you the next time I'm out hunting rocks. Have a good one. Bye. Well, no Hamilton, so I guess I got to do cute sleepy kitty tax. Oh wait, there's Hamilton. He's like, Dad, you showed the kitties.